closet. Today I have a brand new subscription box called UPBOX. So I will get to that in just a moment. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty. So I found this. I was watching one of my many YouTube friends, and they had unboxed it, and I'm like, I gotta try this. You can get this on Cratejoy, so I will leave the link to Cratejoy with the discount code. So how great is that? So there is, I guess they're little stickers. Bloom where God plants you. And on the outside of the box are these masks. Oh, love me my masks. The first one is Timeless Beauty Bar Glam and Glow Sheet Mask. And they're both the same. And I want to say this box is $29.99 with the coupon. So you'll see it come across the screen how much I actually paid for it. And again, a link if you'd like to try this box where you can get it. Oh, there's something else on the outside of the box, a third sheet mask. I went on, did a Google search for sheet masks because I love the hand masks, I love feet masks, I love hair masks, and of course face masks. They're expensive, okay? I've even gone into Ulta and they're $10, $15. So when I get sheet masks in a box, the whole box is worth it just for the masks. So inside, oh my gosh, there's like all this stuff, is the actual UPBOX. There's more stuff. There is, this is a prayer request. It's not something that I would use because I'm Jewish, but I'm sure I can gift this to somebody. And I think it might be a Christian box, but there were so many great products in there, I didn't care. So there's a couple of these prayer requests, and actually there's 3. So I think I know a YouTuber who might like these. So Kristen, if you're watching, let me know if you would like these. Okay, then there's 3 Simply Made tinted lip balms. Okay, these are so cool. And I actually have my daughter coming in a couple weeks. She will love this. And I actually have a niece coming. She will love this. And then I know somebody else who will love this. So how awesome that I haven't even opened the box and there's all these goodies. Okay, so I can just imagine what is inside this terrific box. It says you are loved. So it's definitely a lifestyle box. And you know me. You will not see this part of the video, hopefully, because it's taking me like forever to get this open. Oh, here we go. So it's got Bloom. Gosh, I'm so excited, and it smells absolutely terrific. Oh. That's what the inside looks like. Beautiful. So the first thing is a little thing that says Bloom. And then of course, all the curly things that I get everywhere. Bloom where you are planted. So Bloom is the theme for this month. Welcome to your Bloom box. This refreshing and uplifting collection was inspired by the bloom season of late spring and early summer and was carefully curated to encourage and delight you. So here we go. Then they will burst into blooms. And this is $150 value, and I think this is everything that's in the box, so I'm not gonna peek. There's so much stuff here. Then it looks like another sticker, so if you do books, whatever your computer, then look at this bag. I have no idea what's in here. And I don't know if I'm supposed to rip it, but, ooh. Purposeful Indulgence. It looks like it's a key tag. I should have brought my scissors because everything is so packaged wonderfully. Oop, there we go. Okay, this is such a fun box. Sorry, I keep forgetting you guys are there. But it looks like a keychain. Oh my God, and it smells. The next thing, it's just a little placard that says Bloom. So you can put this on something. And especially if you do YouTube videos, how fun is this to have in your background? Oh my God, I just love this box. The next thing is this beautiful, it's the little things, and it looks like a jewelry case. Oh my God. Okay, this is adorable. Then, more stickers. Bloom where God plants you. And look at the little flowers that are in there. And there's a bigger flower that's in there. So, what great little decorations. And then another little bloomy. Oh my God, this is so much fun. And this looks like a hand towel. Shower them with gifts. And this is somebody, shower them with gifts that is on Etsy. Not Etsy, Etsy. Okay, I get so excited. So it's a rolled up towel. I'm not gonna take it out because I'm gonna put it in the guest room. Another little flower. Then bloom where you are planted. I'm not quite sure what these are. They will burst. They might be like little gift encouragement for modern Christian. So they're just little cards. And thank you, UPBOX, for your order. And please enjoy 50% off your next order. So if I like this, I can get another 50% off. So amazing. There's so much stuff in here. Then a bar of soap. Oh my gosh. It's soap and paper, and it's jasmine. Oh my gosh. And I'm still going. And then, is this a bookmark? How to be happy. Decide every morning that you are in a good mood. And, oh, it's a phone clip. I guess this goes on your phone. Now that's fun. More. You are beautiful, Victorian Rose dusting powder. And some more little bloomies. Wow. I've uncovered more. This is a cozy sleep for your coffee. Today is going to be the best day ever. And it's a wow. More. Then we have jasmine citrus. And is it a hand cream? It's a hand cream. And I bet you that smells terrific. Then we have these little itty bitty things, if you can see. And Tash Cosmetics. Of course, they're so small I can't even keep them in my hand. Jungle Berry. I'm thinking they're eye. And Flower Girl. And this one's blue and this one's kind of a pink, so I'm thinking they're eyeshadows. Wow. Oh, another one. And this one is Bloom. And it's really dark, so it could be an eyeliner. More. Okay, then we have that just fell out. What a cute box. Look at this little box. And inside that cute little box was Friends Forever. So I know somebody I'm gonna give this to. And it's got a to and from on the top. How cute is that? Let's see if there's any more. I think I've pilfered this. So that was everything that was in the box. And let's see if we can get the little card. So the products that were in here came from different companies, and some are on Etsy, some you can go to their website. It says it's worth $150. I'm not seeing $150 unless there's an expensive product in here. But you let me know. I just could be off on this. And there's the hand cream is from the Soap and Paper Factory, and so is the bar soap. Then from Natural Life is the Happy Phone Ring, Little Things Jewelry, the Love Bowl, and Best Day Ever Sleeve. And the rest is on the back. There's no pricing on here. As I said, now there's a 50% off code. I'm not sure if you guys can share that, so I will find out, put that on there. So, yeah, I want to say it was like $30. And I'm not sure if it's worth it. It was a fun box. It had great fun little items in there, but you guys let me know. And I could be wrong. So as always, you guys have an awesome day, and thanks so much for watching.